Hello everyone, I am Shine and you are watching Civil Engineering Tips channel. In this video we are going to discuss about plinth beam. The definition is very simple. The beam situated at plinth level is called plinth beam. It is provided at the junction of wall and its foundation. I hope you all know about plinth level. The level of the floor of a building immediately above the surrounding ground is called plinth level. In left figure you can see the plinth level, and there we have constructed our plinth beam. Now let's discuss about the functions of plinth beam. Plinth beam joins the superstructure with the substructure. It distributes the superstructure load to substructure. It carries the load of the wall. It spreads the wall load uniformly on the foundation. It joins all columns together. It reduces horizontal forces during earthquake. It is mandatory to provide plinth beams in earthquake zone. Plinth beam prevents rainwater to come inside the building. It protects the building. It prevents the propagation of cracks from foundation to the all above in case of settlement of foundation. Position of plinth beam. Plinth beam is provided sufficiently above the natural ground level. It must be situated minimum 1.5 feet above the road level to avoid infiltration of rainwater. Plinth beam is kept down in porch area to make easy for vehicle transportation and parking from road to inside the house. If plinth beam is required above the ground level, then there should be brickwork under the beam. This is a very important question, that what is the minimum size of plinth beam. Here we are discussing about the minimum size of plinth beam for 3-storied building, and the minimum size is 9 inch by 9 inch. Now let's discuss about the reinforcement details of plinth beam for 3-storied building. There are two types of main bar, top main bar and bottom main bar. Minimum dia of main bar is 12 mm and we have to use minimum 4 main bar. In the picture you can see that at top we have given two pieces of main bar of 12 mm, and at the bottom we have given three pieces of main bar of 16 mm. Concrete is strong in compression and weak in tension. So in tension zone we should provide maximum rod compared to top portion. That's why we have given extra one piece of main bar at the bottom of the plinth beam. Now let's discuss about the stirrup. Minimum dia of stirrup should be 8 mm. Maximum hook length should be 75 mm. We must have to use hook angle as 135 degree, and the spacing between two stirrups should be 150 mm, and it is the center to center spacing. Development length and lapping length should be maintained carefully. We have to provide 25 mm clear cover in case of plinth beam. Minimum grade of concrete for casting plinth beam shall be M20. Now let's discuss about the construction of plinth beam. Before constructing plinth beam, we have to clear the soil or other materials between two columns. Then we have to mark the top and bottom of the beam. Then we have to lay a brick layer or PCC or aggregate layer. We have to compact the layer properly. Then we place the rebbers. Now it's time to place shutters. Then we pour concrete into the formwork. After 24 hours we remove the formwork and go for curing. Okay everyone, this is all for today, and this is all about plinth beam. I hope this video will be helpful for you to construct plinth beam for 3-storied building. Stay happy, stay safe, keep practicing. See you in the next video.